Yes. Introduction.
Please take your seats and remember to turn off your mobile phones. Thank you. Welcome to the amazing puppet show.
The puppet show is called The Marco Polo Incident, starring Frog and Alligator.
Hey there, little buddy. You want to play Marco Polo?
Sure.
Okay, you're it. Go get your blindfold.
I need help.
Hey, I'm coming.
Okay, ready? Yep, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Marco Polo. Hey, you are not allowed to go under that car. You are going to get...
I'm just playing Marco Polo.
No! Oh!
Yikes.
You are going to be locked up forever.
Oh, I have a great idea. Hey there, little buddy. I'm at jail at 106 5th Street. Come get me. See that key over there?
Yeah?
Get it for me and unlock my cage.
He lost his head.
Thanks there, little buddy.
Hey!
High five.
Hey, where's the prisoner?
High five, dude.
Sorry.
Alana, wait. No, wait, Alana.
And then...
Now, help me. I can't get out. Thank you. I'm much better.
And they were best friends forever.
Yay!
By the Pupini sisters and one brother.
Wait, who are the Pupini sisters?
They're a band.
Hold on, can I see
Mama,
that?
right here. I want to do that. Okay. Wait.
Hey, Doc!
Okay.
Okay, let me see the video.